Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our March Madness savings for days 10 through 14. I have $55 here today. We have been doing $10 a day, but I got $15 from my Etsy store, which, by the way, I have relisted, these three challenges, these three scratch-offs. Where's the other one? I don't know where the other one is. But my cat scratch-offs are relisted with, more stock. So you can get those if you would like. There's a code in my posts on YouTube where you can get a 25% discount if you click that link and get those scratch-offs if you would like. I'm also working on making more scratch-offs today to add, and I'll post about those once I get those in there and listed. So I'm not sure what we are going to be doing with the money that we save. I'm also doing Morelli's book, Saving for My Dreams, and I'm thinking I might do, oh my goodness, 5. I might do, okay. What is this? 1, okay. I might do a month ahead binder soon, so I'll have, after this month with all these savings, I'll have a good chunk of change to like start with, which would be great. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I feel like that would be a really good idea because that is a goal that I have and I haven't started that yet, but I don't know. I feel like I'm making good progress on all of my goals, like my financial goals for the year. And that is one that I have also, so I might get started on that one. I'm trying to pay off my car, but I already have like a couple debt binders actually that I use for that. So I kind of want to do something other than debt, and that seems like a good thing to do. I have an emergency fund already started, like with a decent amount in it, about $3,000. So yeah, anyways, we'll see what I end up doing with this money. But for this challenge, this one is by Restoration by Autumn, and this is National Pig Day on March 1st. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, but we only needed 1 to finish this, so we're gonna go ahead and finish this one. Today is the 9th when I'm recording this, and so we have $10, $15, and $16 that we saved with this challenge. So we're going to go ahead and put that in our bag of finished challenges here. Next, we have this one by Dawn at Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting, her cute little bows here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go ahead and grab these $2 here and finish this one. So we finish this on 3, 9. And we have 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 30. I'm just going to swap these out here for this 10 that I have over here. Actually, I need to swap it out for a 10 from here. All right, so we have 30 in this challenge. We'll stick that in our done challenges bag. So I hope you guys are having a great day today. Whenever I end up posting this, I'm not sure what day that will be, probably Monday. So I hope you're having a great Monday. All right, this one is by Bookish Mama Budgets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Oh goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. All right, our next challenge is by Becca at NeuroSpicy Budgeting. And this is a new challenge for this week. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. All right, so let's make each of these $2. And so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And we don't have enough to finish it quite yet, so let's just set it over here for now. All right, this is also a new challenge. This one is by Party Planner Papery. And we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have $18 here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. That is a great start for that one. Okay, and then finally we have this new one. This one is by Cash Stuffing and Coffee. Her cute little Happy Spring. It is a roll and save, but we're just going to do each icon as like a certain amount. So let's see how much we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. So let's do each of these as $2. 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay. And then let's just add this $1 extra to this one by Bookish Mama Budgets. We'll just cross that extra 1 out. There we go. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.